In this video, we will learn how to install Docker and the Qdrant vector database on a local machine. Step 1. How to install Docker. Go to the terminal and type the docker -- version command to check whether Docker is already installed. If it displays the version, that means Docker is already installed. Otherwise, you will see a command not found error. If Docker is not installed, go to the Docker desktop website and download the Docker installer. Once the download is complete, click on the DMG file to install Docker. The application will be installed in the Applications folder. Also type the docker -- version command in the terminal to verify that Docker is installed. Now open the Docker application to launch the Docker desktop interface. Now install it by clicking Accept and selecting the relevant options. This is a one-time installation process. Then you will be able to see the Docker desktop interface, where you can view images, containers, and volumes. The next step is to install the Qdrant vector database using Docker. The Docker pull command will download the latest Qdrant image from Docker Hub. You can also specify a version after Qdrant if you want to install a particular version. Otherwise, it will pull the latest one. Next, run the Docker run command with a few parameters to instruct Docker to create and start a new container from the image. This will launch the Docker container. Then you can access the Qdrant database UI on the specified port. Open localhost :port in your browser to view the Qdrant dashboard. Let's test it now by creating a new vector collection using Python. First, install the Qdrant client library in Python to test it. Create a Python file named app.py. I've prepared a sample script that creates a collection called test_collection, inserts a point, and then retrieves it using its ID. Run the app.python file. You will be able to see the collection created and retrieved by ID in the code, and it will also be visible on the Qdrant dashboard. With this, we are done installing the Qdrant vector database using Docker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.